Hello everyone, welcome to Baron Technologies YouTube page. And today we quickly just want to show how to use the Lofts feature. We can loft different profiles from shapes, smaller shapes to bigger shapes, or lines, even surfaces and stuff like that. So quickly show how to get first trim of a cone using the Loft feature. So we want to sketch, let's say we use the top plane, sketch. We draw a circle, dimension 100 mm, and we check. We exit sketch. This is the thing about using Lofts. When you use Lofts, you usually need multiple sketches or two sketches. Yeah. So we go to features. Now we use the reference geometry. You can use it to create axis, points, coordinate system. We want to use it to create a plane, another plane. The first reference is the top plane, which was what we used for our original sketch, and the distance between the two, keep 80 mm, and we've created our second plane from our reference top plane. I want to sketch on this other plane. Sketch, normal to, yep, and draw a circle, dimension 50 mm. Now check. We can exit the sketch. And we use our lofted boss base. Now they say we should select our profiles. There are actually different ways of selecting profiles, and we use our selection manager for that. And this is it. I want to select using a closed loop. Select our circle. Check. And then for our second profile, select our circle. Now you see the kind of shape that we have. It is not necessarily a cone. This is because we need to let's go back to Lofts, edit feature. We need to specify our guide curve. Yeah, so we delete this loft so that we have this profile, and then we can sketch on our right plane, normal to. Let's hide this plane, and we can draw a line from this edge to this. Exit sketch. Now we have all that we need to achieve the first trim of a cone. Features, lofted boss base. Select the profiles, this profile and this profile, and the guide curve is already selected as this line, and that's making it a straight loft from this to this. And we check. This is how we get the full stream of a cone using Solidworks. Isometric, we can add an appearance, any appearance really. Add appearance, add a color. I really like purple. Oh no, let's use red. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more videos using SolidWorks. Thank you.